Hello dear students, very good morning to everybody. Let us in continuation of our part aryl and alkyl and aryl halide. Okay, here we have been prepared. This is the synthesis or the preparation methods of the alkyl halide. From today we start. This is the preparation methods of aryl halide. So here we want to, this is the preparation or the synthesis of the aryl halide. This is nothing but aromatic halide. So this is first from benzene. So we want to the preparation of the aryl halide from benzene. So that is what preparation of what aryl halide. It is nothing but what aryl halide is nothing but halobenzene. We can say this is nothing but halobenzene. Preparation of what aryl halide is nothing but halobenzene. So that is a reaction that we are having. This is the benzene molecule. This is reacted with what? Chlorine molecule in the presence of AlCl3 Lewis acid. So what I want here, prepare synthesis or preparation. This is synthesized or prepared. This is the chlorobenzene, HCl hydrochloric acid and AlCl3 remain it. This is Lewis acid as a catalyst. So what is the reaction? The reaction is that very simple. Benzene molecule is reacted with chlorine molecule, yes, and in the presence of Lewis acid as a catalyst, formation of what? Chlorobenzene. So this is the reaction. So how the formation of the chlorobenzene? Here we discuss the part of the mechanism. So this is the reaction. Okay, we want to the mechanism part here first. What is the mechanism of such types of the reaction? We are having, this is what a chlorine molecule here. This chlorine contains lone pair of electrons. So that is chlorine contain of lone pair of electron, and this is nothing but AlCl3 is the Lewis acid. Okay. So what is the role of Lewis acid? The Lewis acid which are having the tendency to accept the atoms or group of atoms which are having the electrons of the lone pair of electrons. Okay. So तो ये क्या करेगा? इस atoms और group of atoms को अपनी तरफ accept करेगा. So after accept the electrons or group of atoms, it becomes to what? Electrophile. So ये क्लोरीन है, मतलब ये क्लोरीन के बीच में जो बॉन्ड है ये हेटेरोलिटिकली बॉन्ड क्लीवेज हो जाएगा. The bond is break by heterolytically and then generation of this is the electrophile. Cl as is the electrophile. So preparation, this is the generation of the electrophile and AlCl4 nucleophile is remain. यहाँ पे nucleophile remain रहेगा. So whatever here in the first step of the mechanism of the chlorination of the molecule, generation of the electrophile, it is a chlorine molecule. Okay, it is a chlorine as a electrophile. So here we are having, this is the benzene molecules which is reacted with the chlorine electrophile having the tendency, this is the attack on this chlorine atom, and then what I want, this what generation, this is nothing but pi bond is shifted toward the electrophile. So here the electrophilic addition, we can write this is the electrophilic addition here. Writing this is on the arrow of the symbol, this is the here electrophilic addition reaction. So what I want here, this is the chlorine atom and this is having the generation of the carbon having the electrophile. This is nothing but next step we are having, this is the AlCl4 negative. This is a nucleophilic in nature having tendency to accept the proton. अब यहाँ से ये proton क्या करेगा? Accept करेगा. After abstract the proton, then formation of what is this? This is formation of the neon ion. यहाँ पे uranium ion generation हुआ. It is also known as sigma complex. इसको sigma complex भी कहते हैं. This is formation of the sigma complex. Then this carbon hydrogen bond is shifted toward this carbon because of this carbon having the electrophilic in nature having tendency to accept the electrons. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करेगा, हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन से बॉन्ड, ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे फॉर्मेशन होगा. देखो वेरी सिंपल, ये बॉन्ड यहाँ पे बना, ये Cl atoms. So that is nothing but hydrochloric acid and not AlCl3 order remaining. This is what formation of the chlorobenzene. So the first step, generation of the electrophile. Second step, this formation of water, electrophilic addition, and this is the elimination of the reaction. Addition and elimination. Addition followed by elimination is nothing but what? Electrophilic substitution reaction. Why electrophilic? Why not? This is the aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Why aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction? Because of this is the aromatic nucleus. One atom is replaced by another atoms. This is nothing but substitution, and that is what the electrophilic. Why electrophile? Because of here the electrophilic carried out. That's why it is known as aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, and such types of the reaction is nothing but what? Halogenation, a reaction. This is nothing but halogenation reaction of benzene molecule. So that halogenation particular which types of the halogenation is nothing but a chlorination. The particular reaction is faced with the chlorination of what? Benzene nucleus. It is nothing but chlorination of benzene, formation of benzene to chlorobenzene by using these types of the mechanism. So one of the question is compulsory ask your exam. Give what is the halogenation reaction, or give the halogenation of the aromatic nucleus, aromatic benzene molecules. So that is nothing but benzene to chlorobenzene. It is in the presence of Lewis acid AlCl3. Such types of the reaction is known as particularly chlorination of benzene molecule. अब देखो यहाँ पे halogenation आप कौन सा कर सकते हैं अपन? कुछ एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे करस्पॉन्डिंग लेविस एसिड हमको यूज करना है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सपोज बेंजीन है, Br2 लिया, यहाँ पे लेविस एसिड AlBr3 यूज कर सकते हैं, और FeBr3 भी यूज कर सकते हैं, FeBr3 corresponding Lewis acid. So what happen? Formation of here bromobenzene, HBr, hydrogen bromide is here. Then what? Lewis acid is what? FeBr3, or we can say this is R, AlBr3. These types of the Lewis acid is formed is here. So this is what a Lewis acid is, as it is in the generation order bromobenzene. यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट मिला. So what happened? From what? बेंजीन मॉलिक्यूल से हमको ब्रोमोबेंजीन फॉर्मेशन हुआ. कौन सा मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ पे लिया? ब्रोमीन मॉलिक्यूल लिया. वेरी सिंपल. करस्पॉन्डिंग लेविस एसिड इसको कहते हैं. यहाँ पे Br लिया तो यहाँ पे दो Br आना चाहिए, यहाँ पे Cl लेते तो Cl आना चाहिए. So this is the benzene to bromobenzene. Again this is what a halogenation reaction. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हमने फर्स्ट प्रिपरेशन मेथड देखा, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ halobenzene from benzene. In continuation of our part, we'll see this is what another types of the reaction again, by Sandmeyer reaction, formation of what? Halobenzene starting from aniline molecule. Okay, so goodbye.